We are unboxing the STD Danza skill frame. By the way, Danza is Italian for dance. Let's get to it. So, this was the box that I got in the mail a few days ago. And let's open this up. Okay, we have here butter. This is the box here. Okay, so now let's open this up. Okay. So now this is the skate plate. Nice. Okay. Wow. Wow. This here. Okay. Oh, wrenches, or not wrenches, screwdrivers. Well, yeah, wrenches. Huh. Wrenches, a bunch of wrenches here. Very cool. Let's take this out. Okay, so wrenches there. That's pretty much it. Then you got skate oil, looks like. All right. And cushions. Toe stoppers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One, 2, 3, 4 screws, long screws, 4 short screws. Actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 short screws. And then our nuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then little nuts. Interesting. Okay, where are 1? Let's see. Let's look at this. So I see 4 screws. I see 4 screws, 4 long screws. So the long screws are for mounting the heel of the skate plate to the bottom of the boot. So let's do this. Okay, so we got our skate heels here, and what we want to do is we're going to take a skate plate here, and then let's see, this is the front because we see the thread here. We see the thread here for the toe stop with the jam plug. So that's how we know this is the back, like this. So that being the back, we want to go, let's see. So we have to take the screws, the long screws in the back. So you can see here, take one long screw, and it's got options here. Interesting. So long mount, short mount. So you're going to take that. Okay. Interesting. Like that. It doesn't matter. So let's see. I kind of want to undo. I see. So let me get my screwdriver. So here's my roller skate wrench. Let's see if this works. Nope, that doesn't work. Doesn't fit. So this, I have to use one of these. Okay. Oh, these are different for sure. I'm not used to this. Looks like it takes an Allen wrench here. Here it is. So we got that loose, got this screw loose. See that? Okay, so I want to actually put that back on because that's the front. Front seems like it's gonna be easier to get to. Yeah. So Screw that back. Okay. So it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 holes in the front. Then it's got 4 holes in the back. And this allows for the skate plate to be adjustable to fit on a variety of different kinds of boots. So you don't have to use up all of the holes. You don't have to use all 8 holes. You really want to use 4. At least that's what I'm going to try to do. But I think I need to get like these holes right here kind of line up with this axle. So I'm going to have to take this truck off so that I can easily install the heel. So let's do that. Okay, let's. Wow, I don't even know how this come off. How does this come off? Oh, okay, it unscrews. Wow. Wow, this is serious. Look at that. Whew. Clear cushion. Take the truck off. And the top cushion. And the top washer. Okay, so now we got room where we can put this here. I'm going to take this screw and take this screw. Okay, that's interesting. So like that. Then we'll take a wash. One of these nuts. Oh, okay, that's not really fitting, but okay. So this is for the axle. Those are screws, nuts for the axle. Then you got the smaller nuts. So the washer in. See that? Take the washer in, and you take one of these nuts. You put that on. Put that on there. Interesting. So, okay. Right. That's good. That is good. Then I'm going to take another washer. Put that on. And put another nut. Okay. That's it. So that's it right there. So now we see how this goes on. Of course, we're going to mount this so that this is going to replace this Tuic here. We're going to take the Tuic off, which is also known as the blade holder, and we're going to replace it with the STD Danza skill frame skate plate. Look at that. So it's going to end up looking like this. Like, let me show you. Like this. So it's going to be just like that. Pretty cool. If you're interested in creating your own hockey to quad converted roller skates, you can follow my tutorials here on my channel. You can also find them at my website at averygoodidea.com. Now remember, in order to complete your conversion, you need a skate heel. And I sell skate heels on my website. You can access them there. I have an opaque skate heel that you can see right here. And then I have a clear skate heel that you can see right here. And the difference is the opaque skate heels can be painted and you can stylize them as you'd like them to be. Whereas with the clear skate heels, they have a bit more of a tensile density to them. So they're very, very top shelf with the material that's being used. And they're also transparent, kind of like a gum sole that you see on a Yeezy or a Jordan, that kind of thing. So out the box, this is really nice. These you're going to have to paint unless you like the color like that. So if you're not necessarily a person that works with their hands like that, you're not a DIY person, or maybe you just don't have the time, but you're interested in your very own hockey to quad converted roller skates, then you can place an order with me by going to my website, and you can submit a custom inquiry and I can get an estimate back to you. Or you can send me an email at avery@averygoodidea.com.